Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. It's microscopic, it's kind of adorable in a weird way, and it might be the closest thing to an immortal creature that science has ever documented. By the end of this video, you'll understand why scientists believe this tiny animal could outlive humanity itself. Tardigrades aren't insects and they're not bacteria. They're a completely separate branch of life, 8-legged, water-dwelling microanimals that have existed on Earth for over 500 million years. That's before dinosaurs, before trees, before most complex life even existed. They live almost everywhere: moss soil, deep ocean trenches, even your backyard right now. Under a microscope, they look almost cartoonish, plump, slow-moving, with a face that somehow looks both harmless and alien at the same time. But don't let the cute exterior fool you. This creature has survived all 5 of Earth's mass extinctions. The one that wiped out the dinosaurs? Tardigrades didn't even notice. In September 2007, the European Space Agency ran an experiment that sounds almost cruel. They took thousands of tardigrades, dehydrated them completely, and strapped them to the outside of a satellite called Photon M3. For 10 days, these creatures orbited Earth, completely exposed to the vacuum of space, to solar radiation thousands of times stronger than anything on Earth's surface, and to temperature swings from freezing cold to scorching heat, all within minutes. When the satellite returned, scientists rehydrated the tardigrades, expecting to find nothing. Instead, most of them woke back up, moving, feeding, and some of them successfully reproduced afterward, producing healthy offspring with no genetic damage. No other animal on Earth has ever survived direct, unprotected exposure to space, not close. Here's where it gets genuinely strange. When conditions turn deadly, tardigrades enter a state called cryptobiosis. They shut down almost every biological process in their body, dropping their metabolism to nearly zero, and expel almost all the water inside their cells. In place of that water, they produce a glass-like protective substance that essentially vitrifies their internal organs, locking everything in place like a biological time capsule. In this state, called a TUN, a tardigrade isn't really alive in the traditional sense, but it isn't dead either. It's paused. They can stay in this suspended state for decades. There are documented cases of tardigrades reviving after being frozen for over 30 years. Scientists have exposed them to boiling temperatures over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, crushing pressures 6 times deeper than the ocean's deepest trench, and radiation levels that would kill a human 1,000 times over. They just wake back up, like nothing happened. Somewhere in your backyard, right now, there's probably a tardigrade sitting in a drop of moss, completely unaware that it's one of the most studied, most resilient creatures in the history of science. It's survived 5 mass extinctions. It's survived the vacuum of space. If this blew your mind, subscribe, because next time, we're covering a creature that can regrow its own brain. Drop a comment if you want to see it.